I'm offended.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be lip swatching and reviewing all of the new JAWBREAKER collection by Jeffree Star, all of the VELOUR liquid lipsticks. So if you want to see my lip swatches of all these shades, then just keep watching.
So this is Strawberry Crush. I think it goes amazing with this eye look, and it's so neon. I don't think the camera can pick up just how neon this is. This is so beautiful. In the tube, it honestly looked boring, but on the lips, dear lord, that is gorgeous. This is the shade Fully Nude, which is like a nudie, pinky moment. So this is Fully Nude, and I'm honestly obsessed. I love this. It's not really a nude, it's like a pinky based nude color, I guess, at best. But I really like it. I think it's super flattering, and I think that it can really go with any eye look. I really like this shade. Definitely one of my favorites. So this next shade is Bronze Blood, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. This is the one shade that I wasn't excited for and I didn't really want, but now I'm so glad I got the bundle because this is such a beautiful and wearable bronze shade. This, like, I can definitely see this, like, having, like, a summer moment with this lip. I actually really like this. Next, we have the shade No Offense, which is this really pretty green color. So this shade is not the lip shade for me. It looks horrible on me, but it is decently pigmented. I don't think it's a little streaky, but it's not bad. I personally am going to use this as eyeliner, not as a lipstick, so I don't really care. But yeah, this is just not the shade for me. Again, this is No Offense. I'm offended. The next shade we have is Purple Urkel, which is like a purple with shimmer in it. So this is Purple Urkel, and honestly, this is the most disappointed I've been in a lipstick. This is sheer. It's almost like a blotted lip, but I don't know. It's definitely more clumpy in the tube than all the others, and it's just a little more sheer. You definitely need to build it up if you want full opaque color, so it's kind of disappointing. It's still a very pretty purple, but I'm just not a big fan of it, surprisingly, because we all know how much I love purple. The last shade we have is Yes Ma'am. This is such a pretty pink. So this is Yes Ma'am. I absolutely adore this pink. It is so pretty, and I love it with this eye look as well. It's a super bright pink. I absolutely adore it though. So for my final thoughts, overall I really do like all the liquid lipsticks except for Purple Urkel and No Offense. No Offense I'm using as a liner, but it was a bit patchy for me, and Purple Urkel was just sheer and needed to be built up. I don't hate either of them, but I was most disappointed in Purple Urkel because it wasn't immediate, like, boom pigment like everything else. The surprise love for me was Bronze Blood. I actually love this. This is one of my favorites. My all-time favorite though is Strawberry Crush, which I was wearing at the beginning of the video. This is just such a beautiful neon red. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one.